increase.
All eyes tonight are on Florida insurance regulators. They're considering a rate hike for homeowners using Citizens Property Insurance, which is, of course, considered a last resort. The state-backed insurer is asking for a sizable increase as Florida's still unsteady property insurance market continues to wobble. Now, insurance regulators are debating an average rate change of about 14.2%. But as we told you last week, that's just an average. And for some mobile homeowners, it could be as high as 24%. Our Forrest Saunders joining us live from Tallahassee tonight with a look at what happened at today's meeting. Forrest?
Yeah, this started at around 3 o'clock this afternoon and wrapped up about 30 minutes ago. It was all in front of the Office of Insurance Regulation, and they are the final decision makers as to whether or not this hike is going to take effect. But it is now one step closer to reality.
Willie Butts, a disabled veteran from Apopka, got one heck of a surprise when he saw what his new property insurance policy was going to cost him.
The letter went from $2,800 approximately to over $15,000. So to say skyrocket, it might be a little bit of an understatement.
You heard that right, 15 grand. Willie immediately dropped his old carrier and became one of the now 1.3 million policyholders who've turned to Citizens Property Insurance. Willie secured a new rate of around $3,400 a year.
Citizens was almost the only one left in the pool, you know what I mean, for insurers.
But even that rate looks likely to change soon.
This is a fact-finding hearing.
Thursday, Citizens offered regulators a rate hike plan with average overall increases of 13.1% in 2023 and 14% in 2024 for all its personal lines of insurance. The hikes, officials said, offset non-weather-related water losses, high reinsurance costs, and a glut of litigation.
Excess litigation has done incredible harm to the capacity of Florida's private insurance market. This has in very large part caused Citizens' policy count to double in a 2-year period from about 610,000 to over 1.2 million.
Florida's former deputy insurance commissioner turned insurance advisor, Lisa Miller, said increases are a good thing. The state's trying to return Citizens to a true last resort to reduce taxpayer liability. And she said higher prices make the market more competitive.
So if a rate in Citizens is $2,000 a year, if a private insurance company sees that policy, they might come in and offer $1,800 a year.
But it comes on top of more than a year of reforms. Lawmakers in Tallahassee cut back access to the courts to tamp down litigation. They installed more insurer oversight and bolstered reinsurance with a promise of relief in time.
It's been long overdue. That's why we had the 2 special sessions that we did. And look, Rome wasn't built in a day. Some of this stuff is going to take 12 to 18 months.
Willie, however, is sick of waiting.
My message is, look, we elect you guys to go up there and to represent us. And we elect you to figure this type of stuff out. You know, we're depending on you to do this.
State officials at the Office of Insurance Regulation will now have the final say on approving the hikes. They'll take public comment until June 22nd, making their decision sometime after that.
Now, if you want to weigh in, you still have time to do it. In fact, you can do it until that June 22nd date. You can head online to the Office of Insurance Regulation's website. You can find it at floir.com. That's the latest out here at the Capitol. I'm Forrest Saunders reporting.
Forrest, thank you. Let's now check back in with Chief